guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cleaning the upstairs. Girl, it was about time. We're gonna be cleaning the master bedroom and office slash now guest bedroom. Thank you so much to Birch Living for sponsoring today's video. Huge thanks to them for this mattress. I am so excited to show you guys how we put everything together. I hope it motivates you, girl, to get up and clean. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and start picking up this mess. So right across the master bedroom is the office, which is the room that we're going to work on first because there's a lot of dead space in here. I wanted to add a mattress and make this room an office slash guest bedroom. I feel like this bedroom is just so empty. I just have my desk in there and just some shoes. But other than that, this room has just felt so empty, and I have been wanting to add a mattress in here because I do have friends and family over a lot. So sometimes they need somewhere to sleep besides the couch, girls. So we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning, and then after we will bring in the mattress. So this is actually kind of funny. Brian's gaming stuff is in the closet. He literally would play in the closet. I swear this was not my idea, but he decided to take it out. I'm telling you guys, this room is so random, but I just have like some sweaters. He decided to move everything out. He recently transformed like the entire garage into his caveman. So guys, don't trip. He got his own place, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean the desk. I just have like random hair. I had K-tips, so I'm constantly pulling them out because I've had them for a while. I'm just putting everything back in the drawer. So I do use the Method anti-bac all-purpose cleaner. Is she good? She is, but I think I like the Mayor spray better, but I'm just trying to get some use out of her because I've had her for a minute. So I clean up all the surfaces with this basically. So above my desk, I do have these shelves. I'm just gonna go ahead and dust them really quickly and just remove everything. So fun fact, this name tag was from my old job that I had for years. The minute I realized I had it, I was like, oh my God, this belongs in the office. On the left shelf, I have my 100K plaque, which was so long ago. I will forever cherish this. My 1 million plaque is actually at Karina's because my family just really loves those plaques, so we like to keep them over there. I want to do more to this wall, but it is what it is, y'all. This is how she looks for now. Now that that's all cleaned up, we are gonna move this vanity that I'm actually saving for a friend. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put it in the closet. These floors were not that dirty, you guys. Like I said, this room's always clean for the most part, but obviously we're going to be putting in the mattress, so I want to make sure the floors are spotless. Girl, let me tell you a little bit something about myself. Sleep is so important to me, and I want my guests to have a good night's sleep, okay? I am tired of having them sleep on the couch. So I'm super excited to partner with Birch in today's video. Birch makes organic, non-toxic mattresses made right here in America with just 4 materials sourced straight from nature, which are organic latex, New Zealand wool, American steel springs, and organic cotton. These mattresses are GOTS certified, which means the mattresses independently are verified to be organic, free of harmful chemicals, and ethically produced from beginning to end. I don't think I've ever had an organic mattress, so I'm just excited to be giving my family a natural, organic, and 100% non-toxic place to sleep. I might just have to get one for myself, girl, not to mention how easy it was to order online. With your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 10-year warranty. So they give you 3 months to try. If you're on the edge of buying it or not, you still get to test it out. So if you don't like it, they'll pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. And like you guys saw, it was easy to install. It was rolled up in a box and we just had to lay it out. And just so you guys know, Birch does deliver your mattress at your door for free within the US. As you can tell, my dog was very much comfortable while we were making the bed. He is so funny. Like as I'm doing this voiceover, he's literally laying on it right now. He loves it. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish setting up the bed and the pillows. So just so you guys know, each Birch mattress does come with 2 of their EcoRest pillows made from recycled plastic bottles. Y'all, are you guys hearing that? They're breathable and better for the environment. So I was actually mind blown when reading that. Click the link in the description box so you guys can get your first Birch mattress for $200 off and 2 free pillows. Now that we're all done, it is time to try it out and lay down. It was honestly so freaking comfortable. Me and Brian both fit perfectly in this mattress, and it was a size full. I love my Birch mattress, and I know you guys will too. Make sure you guys click the link down in the description box to purchase your mattress today. Thank you so much, Birch, for this mattress. I absolutely love it, and thank you once again for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna continue to clean the rest of the room. I'm gonna go in with the pink stuff and just kind of clean these little stains that were on this shelf that I have not been able to get off with anything else, and this magically took it off. I've been obsessed with this product. It really does work. And this was the shelf with the shoes. I ended up just putting it on the right side of the bed, which honestly was a little snug. Like, it fits perfectly in that area. Had it been a little bigger, it would definitely be in the way of the door. But I'm gonna go ahead and just vacuum the rest of the floors. And also, I did share with you guys a little bit of the bed on stories on my Instagram, and I did get a couple of people weirded out that I had the shoes right next to the mattress. And girl, let me just say, if you cannot smell my feet, then you don't deserve to sleep in my house. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, those shoes, you guys, I haven't worn in forever. We're in a pandemic. Like, I'm rarely in heels anyways. I do want to in the future get a bed frame and all that good stuff. Maybe fix up the room a little better, get rid of the shoes. But for now, I am living, and I cannot wait for my first guest to sleep over. In the meantime, Handsome is taking over. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the master bedroom, which was definitely dirty. We are cleaning the nightstands first, which honestly, I'm disappointed. We accidentally deleted the clip where I showed kind of like the overview of how everything looked. And girl, let me tell you, it was dirty, okay? My room can get really dirty sometimes if I'm not paying attention to it. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm a messy person. I like to clean. I do like to clean up after myself, but I can get a place dirty in just a couple of days, girl. So I'm just like collecting things that belong in the beauty room. For some reason, I had some Pika Pika. We love Pika Pika. Always gotta have some in the nightstand. And just putting the rest of the things that, you know, would probably be in a drawer. I actually do like to keep my rings out a lot when I'm not wearing them. So I'm just moving them to the side, and I'm going to use that spray that I used in the office and just moving everything out the way and just wiping her up. I'm just putting everything back, like my ramo. You guys know that's very meaningful to me, which is so dusty, so delicate. I'm seriously scared for the day for it to fall apart. And I'm putting back my coffee and my water that I'm going to be drinking for the day. And Brian's nightstand, on the other hand, wasn't as dirty. Well, actually, I'm not even sure. Whose was dirtier, mine or his? I would say we're both messy, but a little less messy than me. For sure, because you guys are gonna see my clothes is everywhere. Well, his clothes is everywhere too. I don't know, you guys, honestly. The important part is that we're cleaning, okay? That's all that matters. I'm going to be washing all sheets and pillowcases today, so we're just going to throw that all in the washer. I did throw in the pillows this time around. I like to wash my pillowcases and blankets and all that pretty often. I don't know, y'all should be too. One thing I don't do is wash my pillows often. I just really wanted to wash them today because I feel like they needed a wash. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put jabon, you know, some bleach, and then that other thing, Suavitel. I forget what it's called, but I didn't show everything. Y'all know the drill with washing. I'm just taking everything to the laundry room because it took a few washes. Obviously, the pillows took up all the space the first round. And just a little tip, I know the bed's not done, but anytime you just clean your nightstands and do your bed, even if your floor is a hot mess, your room just looks cleaner. Okay, this dresser, I have a lot to say about her because ever since we moved in, I wanted to get a different dresser. It didn't match my nightstands, and overall, I just haven't decorated it at all. The TV is not hung. There was just so many random stuff on it. You guys are gonna tell it was really dusty. I mean, this area is like very, very much abandoned. So I really want to focus on this area and possibly mount the TV and start decorating cute. I mean, it really doesn't matter if my dresser doesn't match my nightstands. I think I just need to start decorating it and love my room a little more. I feel like I haven't got to decorating the way I want to. So she's looking a little dry, a little bland for now. And also because the TV's not mounted, I couldn't really clean the dresser 100% how I wanted to, especially the TV. I didn't even want to mess with that because I want to mess it up or anything like that. So she's still dirty, but she's a lot cleaner than she was. We're gonna clean the floor now because, oof, I am telling you, I like to consider myself like, Brian likes to call me a snake. You know, I just shed my clothes everywhere. But I have a really, really bad habit, you guys. When I'm changing, I will throw clothes all over the floor, try different outfits on. It is a really, really bad habit that I have. I'm telling you, I can turn a clean room dirty in seconds. Another bad habit I have is anytime I come back from a trip, I cannot put my luggage away. My maleta will be out for weeks sometimes. This is Brian's side, which he does also kind of leave his clothes on the floor, but not a lot. Like, he'll have a couple pants. I mean, I don't know, that seems like a lot that's on the floor right now. I'm not even sure. You guys are gonna probably like judge us so much. Honestly, this is like a real clean with me. Girl, it's been a week, okay? It's been a couple weeks. It's been a few weeks, let's be real. So we did have a basket full of clean clothes I needed to get to. You can tell though that my clothes was sitting in the laundry basket for a few days because the clothes is so wrinkled. Let me know if you guys are the kind to iron your clothes before you hang it, or do you just do it when you're gonna change and put it on? So back here is Brian's closet. I do take up a tiny little section where I put my robes, but for the most part it is his closet, which is funny because he doesn't fill up the entire closet. My closet, on the other hand, is completely jammed with the clothes. But right now I'm just gonna vacuum. I think we're pretty much done. Everything's being washed right now, like the cobijas, all that good stuff. So there's the pillows. You know what's funny? One of my pillows actually ripped. I don't think I showed you guys, but it ripped in the washer. I think I closed it with it kind of still being stuck on the door, so the edge ripped. There was a lot of cotton inside. The bedroom is pretty much complete. Oh my god, we lit a candle. It smelled amazing. Just seeing the room like this was so peaceful. Because we did a few rounds of laundry, we did decide to make the bed the next day. It was just kind of a busy day the night before, not gonna lie. We even cleaned the restrooms, obviously, the hallway, all of that. We did not record us cleaning the restrooms because, I don't know, I feel like that's more personal. I don't know if y'all want to see us scrub the toilet. Let me know if that's something you do want to watch in the next video. Okay, so Brian actually did get me cleaning the shower a little bit. I was using the pink stuff, which is amazing for water stains. Y'all need to get on it. But that's all we recorded for the restroom. And that is basically how the restroom looks complete. Like I said, we didn't really record much cleaning in there, but just a little overview. So that completes this clean with me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Hopefully for the next one I can clean the entire house. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.